Hi, I'm Tim Noggle. Welcome to Novatec's Glen manufacturing facility, where we manufacture high-quality resin conveying and drying equipment to an aggressive build plan to ensure that we always have inventory to meet our customers' needs when they need it. Please come in and let me show you around. Novatec's Glen Mills operation spans an impressive 85,000 square feet of manufacturing and warehouse space. This is where we manufacture our high-volume, standard product designs which are built to inventory. We believe in maintaining significant inventory levels of components and parts to meet our customers' requested delivery dates better than any competitive supplier. Equipment assembled in Glen Mills includes our VPDB positive displacement pumps and our MVP high-throughput pump series, along with other vacuum pump lines with matching cyclone dust collectors, central conveying system receivers, and accessories like the man valves, probes, and conveying wand. Our self-contained resin loader lines, including our popular brushless GSL resin loaders, are also built here. Our manufacturing production environment is organized and orderly, leading to optimized flow and efficiency. Novatec's highly trained and focused Glen Mills manufacturing associates build sub-assemblies in our specially designed jigs and fixtures. This assures repeatable accuracy of each piece of equipment. From there, we store these sub-assemblies until they are needed for integration into completed units of various configurations. Our inventories of components and sub-assemblies are controlled by our associates working in each of the manufacturing areas. Their charge is to ensure appropriate stocking levels to make certain we are always prepared to respond to our customers' needs. We batch build many models of equipment for the most effective manufacturing and to take advantage of economies of scale and product flow efficiency. Building our pumps, resin loaders, conveying components, and Nova dryers in groups of 10, 20, or 30 means we always strive to have finished products in inventory for quick shipping to our customers. Each piece of equipment is inspected and fully function tested to correct operation before being packaged and sent to our inventory staging area until it is needed to fill an order. At Novatec, we aim to exceed our customers' expectations with the highest quality, thoroughly tested equipment shipped on time and on budget, and the addition of our Glen Mills plant is just one more step in assuring our and our customers' success. Thank you for visiting with us. We appreciate you wanting to learn about Novatec and our high-quality products. If you'd like to learn more, please don't hesitate to call us or visit us at novatec.com.